If you are struggling to do your eyeliner, I have went through so many of these, so I can definitely say that this is it for eyeliners, and I don't want to go back to any other ones. I was trying to find my other one, but it is so dirty that I think I wound up throwing it away because I will just use them forever. So anyways, it is so nice. Like the whole entire being able to hold it, it's just the right size, the right shape. And then it's a brush tip on top of that. So like you literally can get like fine strokes and everything. And if you're worried about that it's not as black, you just have to shake it sometimes and get it to come in black because it takes a minute, especially with being brushed. But then you can literally just do and then it will come in black. So anyways, I just say that because sometimes I'll get one of them that is not as fully black, and then I have to do the shaking and the process and all that. So this is the most easiest eyeliner I've ever used in the history of eyeliner, and I'm just like, I will not go back to any other eyeliners anymore because this one's just too easy. And literally I can do a wing eyeliner while I'm talking to you without any like issues. So yeah, I love getting it like right up into the lashes too, for like a more natural look whenever you put your mascara on. But yeah, I just really love this eyeliner. And I'm like, it is super easy to do wings, like super easy. Okay, so again, I'll just do it on this side so I can show you. I'm trying to look into the mirror because I definitely do have to use a mirror, so, but I mean, it's easy, but I am not that great of an artist when it comes to trying to do stuff without a mirror. Boop. And you can create any shape that you want to. And if you want big eyeliner, little eyeliner, thin eyeliner, thick eyeliner, it literally does it all. And then a little tip to get like the straighter line, instead of coming from underneath, go on top and then match it with the point and then bring it to the middle. So hopefully you can see, but instead of trying to go on the bottom, you can, like if you don't want a thick wing, so this is for people who don't want a thick wing. I like mine like medium sized, but yeah, I used to go on the bottom and continuously try to get a straight line, but if you just do this simple little, go on top, start where that little tip is, and then go like that, and then meet it to the middle, you can get a straighter line. You can, have just like the right amount, for me anyways, the right amount of wing. And then if you still like, I don't have that point, then you can go right from the middle and then just create the little slight tiny tail. But then again, I still like kind of like this look where it's not as pointy right there. So then you just go meet that tiny little tip and then go right there to the middle. It's the easiest. It glides. It literally, you can get thin strokes, bold strokes. It's literally, as it says, perfect strokes. It's just, I continue to get multiples of these things all the time. I have this one on backup. I have my mom. She actually gave me my Christmas gift early, so I have a couple on hand for when this one runs out, which they usually last a good 6 months. My last one that I had, I don't know what happened. I think I accidentally didn't seal the cap very well, so do that. So I love this eyeliner. I will not go back to any other eyeliner. I hope they never go out of stock. I hope this always stays because it's just the prettiest eyeliners. And if you ever want to know how I do on my eyeliner, there you go. I can make a fuller tutorial, maybe more neutral eye look if you want, but yep, it's all this little gadget right here. So